Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today in the Battle with Foundations, I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Stick Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on this, you are in the right place. But before we get started, two things this time. For starters, again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Along with the bell notifications, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And every once in a while, I throw in a Weird Wish Wednesday where I test out weird products you can buy on wish.com. Second thing I wanted to mention is starting today, instead of doing a Battle of the Foundations every week, I'm going to go to every other week. It's getting very expensive for me to buy a new foundation every week to try out. And B, it's hard to find foundations every week to try out, to be quite honest with you. So I'm still going to be doing it. It's just going to be every other week. So you won't have one next week, but I'll still put a video out that day. It just won't be a foundation video. If you have an idea of something I can film on Thursday in its place, so every other Thursday I would have a different type of a day, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you about that. So anyway, if you want to see, again, my thoughts on this L'Oreal Stick Foundation, just keep watching this again. All right, guys, today we are again trying the L'Oreal Infallible. This is their Longwear Shaping Stick Foundation. This comes in 12 shades, and depending on where you purchase it, the price can range from $12.99 down to, I found it for like $10.97 at Walmart. I'll leave links down below for you if you're interested in purchasing it. They say it has medium to full buildable coverage. And then the one thing that got me really confused is on L'Oreal's site, on Target, on Walmart, and on Ulta. It all said that it had an SPF of 17, which I'll leave you a screenshot right here and kind of highlight that for you. But if we look on the packaging down here, it has SPF 27. So it's either 17 or it's 27. I don't know for sure. So I'm going to do a little more research and try and find out which is the correct answer for you. So it says to apply this with your fingers or a sponge, but as always, I'm going to do one half of my face with a sponge and the other half with a flat top kabuki brush. Speaking of brushes, I am trying out also today. This is a special edition BH Cosmetics brush kit, so I'm going to try the brushes out from this and see how they worked out. So it looks like I'll be using this flat top kabuki brush, which is number 123. Okay, I have already moisturized, I've serumed, I have color corrected under my eyes, I've primed, everything else is good to go. And today I am testing a new sponge for my series where I'm testing out a whole bunch of different sponges and finding out which one is the most comparable to the actual beauty blender. This is the Sponge Rise sponge that comes with, well, you can purchase it as a kit where you get this little tray to set it on, so that's what I'm going to try out today. And I just want to lightly make sure that I don't have any wrinkles going on there, creasing from the concealer and color correctors that I put on. Okay, good to go. All right, what's nice about this is you do get a lot of the product, at least it appears to, but it's only 0.32 ounces in the tube, but you do get quite a bit. They say it's got 24-hour wear. Of course, none of us ever wear our makeup for 24 hours, so I can't really attest to that. All right, so I've just painted that on. I'm going to take a little bit up on my lids. By the way, I guess it would help if I told you I am in 403 Buff is the shade that I picked out. Okay, so I'm going to take the sponge and just start tapping in on this side. I will tell you this is not my first day of wearing this either, but it is my first day of using this sponge. Well, did you guys have a good 4th of July? I hope you did. Obviously, I'm filming this before the 4th of July, so All right, let's go in with that BH Cosmetics brush, which is way soft. Wow. Guess I'm used to my Morphe Y6. I think I like the sponge side better. I'm going to go with a little more because there's still quite a bit of my hyperpigmentation and stuff that's coming through on both sides. Especially my nose is still pretty red. For those of you that don't know, I used to have pretty bad rosacea. I mean, I would turn beet red when I got too hot. I'm going to try my fingers actually. I said use fingers, and I never do. Ooh, I like the finger method. You guys, I like that a lot better. Okay. Going to use the fingers. I do have on another one of my 4th of July shirts, so I'll show it to you. USA, all day. It's cold shoulder. I like it. It's very comfortable. Okay. Yes, I like the fingers the best. Although I do need to blend a little bit better on my neck. Take that down a little bit. Now it's time to get an up close and personal look at this and see how it looks. I did use a pore filling primer, and can't say that that helps so much. I'm going to press in a little bit with the sponge and see if that helps. Yes. Not dragging, I'm just pushing. Let me take a couple of quick pictures for you so you can see how it looks before I go in with the rest of my makeup and give you an idea how this is. So hold on one second. I'm also going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, so I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, I am back, and let me tell you, I really have been enjoying this L'Oreal Stick Foundation. This is my 5th time of actually wearing it, and I've been enjoying it so much. I love it even more that I used my fingers with it today. It really did give good coverage. They say medium to full coverage. I would say it's a low full if you build it up, because I do see just a little bit of my hyperpigmentation still showing through, but it's a very, very comfortable foundation. If you wanted to skip powdering, you could definitely do that. I do still suggest it anyway, since it's a stick, it can kind of move around on your face, but it does dry down very nice. It's very hot in here right now, so I'm sorry if I look like I have a little more glow than just my highlight there, because I'm really hot right now, so I'm going to speed this up. So anyway, love this. Again, I'll have links down below if you're interested in picking this up. If you have this foundation, I'd love to hear from you on what your thoughts on it are on it. I'll speak English this time. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out a lot, you guys, when I just get some thumbs ups in there. Have any comments, questions, anything like that, as always, please leave those down below as well. So until next time, I love you all, and bye-bye.